Hi you guys, welcome back to my June tray. So I'm going to be taking everything off the tray, obviously clearing it off, cleaning it off, and then we're going to be putting some new fragrances on here. I pretty much used everything this month except the Valentino. That's the only thing I didn't really get any usage out of, and I was going to re-put that on the tray for June, but I decided against it, so you might see it again in August. So yeah. You guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and start with June's tray. June tray is definitely a little full this month. I have a lot of different fragrances on here and I cannot wait to play with them. So first we're gonna start off with this one right here. This is a newer fragrance. It is from Aroma Concepts. This is by Paris Corner and this is Kayal. This is a nice citrusy but gourmand fragrance. It's really nice. I've played with it once or twice now. I have done a video talking about this fragrance. It just isn't up yet because I'm a little behind, but yeah, I do have a video soon, and once I post it, it will be linked. But this is the first new fragrance to the tray. Now, a oldie but a goodie that I could not wait to bring out for spring and summer. This is by Moschino, and this is Toy to Bubblegum. And as you can see over there in the corner peeking, I have my bubblegum pop from Bath and Body Works. So I wanted to put this on a tray and play with her. This is one I pull out in the spring and in the summer, and since this is spring going into summer, I wanted to pull her out and play with her. It's definitely more of a freshy but kind of citrusy bubblegum type of fragrance. So yeah, very unique. Another fragrance that I got last year, I think towards the end of the summer, I couldn't wait to play with this one this year. This is Navatis. This is Melon Kiss. This was a collaboration. I can't remember who was the collab with off the top of my head, but this is a melon fragrance, okay? And it matches so well with my summer melody, as you can see that over there. So these fragrances on the tray, some of them are definitely matching some of the things that I'm putting in my June project. It's not up yet, but it will be up this week, so stay tuned. But yeah, I can't wait to play with this one. Alright, one of my all-time favorite fragrances is Max Candy Yum Yum. And y'all, look at the dent in this. I have had this one for some years now. This bottle is from, I think, 2020. I've had this fragrance in my collection 2 or 3 different times. I love this fragrance. It's a guava fragrance. It's one of my favorite guavas that introduced me to the scent of guava. It's so pretty and tropical and great for summer. I don't know if she's still available. This one, and it was like 1 or 2 other from this particular collection, stayed for a while and then they come back in stock every now and again. I love this one. I have not seen my recent video talking about Skylar Beauty and their monthly subscription. Check that out. But the first one I'm bringing to the tray is Boardwalk Delight. As you can see, she has gotten so much darker. Y'all, this is a very sweet cotton candy vanilla type of fragrance. She used to smell a lot more cotton candy-ish, but I feel like I get a lot of the vanilla in here. It's still very sweet and airy. I think it has coconut milk in here as well, but this is such a nice one for spring and summer, so I couldn't wait to play with her. And with bringing her to the tray, I also wanted to bring Peach Fields. Now this one never really darkened, and it's probably because it doesn't have a vanilla in it. It has a peach note. It's a very green peach fragrance, but I do enjoy this one. It's especially fun for spring and summer, so I wanted to go ahead and bring these and play with these. I feel like it's definitely been a minute since I brought some of my Kayali to the tray, but this month we have 4. So yeah, this is the very first one we're going to talk about. This is Ian Sparkle and Lychee. Y'all know the scent notes on here, but if you have not already seen it, I couldn't wait to bring this one back out. This one screams spring, and yeah, I just couldn't wait to play with her. My other Kayali I couldn't wait to play with is a Yum Pistachio Gelato. I feel like it's been a minute and I have kind of been craving this scent. So yeah, I couldn't wait to pull this one out. And since I've been loving her sister, which is Yum Bougie Marshmallow, I decided to pull this one out and show her some more love. If you guys have not seen my recent Kayali working video, that was so fun to do. I will have it linked for you guys, but please go ahead and check that out and show me some love. You guys, coming to the tray, I could not wait to bring her out, y'all. This is from Victoria's Secret and this is Bombshell. This is Amalfi. You guys, I told y'all this was my favorite out of the collection. If you didn't see that video, I will have it linked for you guys. But also, Kimberly, I'm so sorry. I definitely mailed your stuff off today. I'm going to be sending you the information sometime today so that you can be looking out for the package. I'm so sorry, girl, it took so long, but May has been such a busy month for me. But yeah, I love this scent. It has a similar feel to Seven Virtues Clementine one. It's not exact. I don't think it's a dupe, but I love that one so much. It was one of my favorites from May's tray, so I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on there as well. I cannot wait to play with this. But yeah, you guys, if you haven't seen the video of me talking about that, it will be linked so you guys can check that out. Fragrance I'm bringing back to the tray this month just so I can play with her a little bit more. This is MFK's Kirky. I recently did a video talking to you guys about this. I have worn this last two combos videos, so I will have those linked. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing any special combos with this one this month, but if I do, I'll let you know. But I just want to play with her just a little bit more and see, you know, what things I can come up with this. I do really enjoy it so far. But yeah, I just wanted to play with her a little bit more, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, then we have another Clean Beauty. This is a Clean Reserve and this is Sparkling Sugar, and I got this one last year and I did like it, but I wasn't like head over heels for this one. This one is a like clean strawberry type of fragrance, and y'all know I love me some strawberry, so I wanted to go ahead and put her on the tray. Plus, I hear the Clean Reserve line goes bad pretty quickly, so I definitely want to, you know, use her and make sure she hasn't gone bad. But I definitely got this one from like Marshall's or something, so be on the lookout because Clean Reserve does have a lot of fragrances in Marshall's and TJ Maxx. Alright, you guys, a fragrance I literally could not wait to put on the tray. I actually was going to wait for July, but low-key, I might leave this on for June and July. You guys, this is Vacation by Vacation. If you don't know, Vacation is a sunscreen company, and this just smells like vacation in a bottle. Like, it is the perfect pool, beach, anywhere around the water type of scent. You guys, we went to the pool today for the first time since last year, and I wore this in the body oil, and you guys, it really lasted on my skin. Like, the body oil had shimmer in it. After we were done in the pool, I still could see the shimmer on me. I still was able to, like, even though I smell like pool and chlorine, I still was able to kind of smell this on my skin as well. But I started wearing this one towards the end of last year when I got it. Yeah, I love this so much. I never knew this was something I needed in my collection, but if you love like aquatic, beachy, sunscreeny type scents, this is definitely for you. So I love this one so much. And then the last two fragrances coming to the tray are my two Kayalis. So I went ahead and I'm bringing Capri in a bottle on the tray. This is Lemon Sugar. I want to use this one up, or at least use it a few times and see if I like it, see if I need to purchase this in full size. So I'm bringing her to the tray, as well as I'm Maui in a bottle Sweet Banana. Now, I actually wore this one today as well. I mixed it with the Vacation and it actually smelled really nice together. Two fragrances I didn't know I needed to wear together, but I put that one on first, and then I was like, I don't know, I kind of wanted to spray this on top of it to see if I got that like sweet banana note, and I did. I like this one a lot more than I thought I did. And again, I'm trying to decide if this is one that I need to pick up in full size. I'm leaning, if I had to choose right now between the two, I think this would be the one that I would end up picking up. But as of right now, we're going to use this. We're going to see if we can use it up, and then maybe we'll work on a bottle later. Alright, you guys, so here is my tray all fixed and put together. Love it so much. Over here, you guys, as you can see, I have a few of my items that are in my project use it up and some extras. I have a few things that's not over here. It's in my bathroom because I just got out the shower, so I have some stuff on, but I pulled some stuff out that I want to play with this month. This is a sample of the Josie Marion Vanilla Vibes. I want to try this out. Also, if you guys, the video isn't up yet, but I am going to be doing a video talking to you about these new Fenty body butters. I do have this one as well as the guava one, but the guava is in my bathroom. Also, I got my Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. Y'all, I had this on the other day and it smelled so good. I went out with this on and I love it. And this is like my, if I go somewhere, but this one is the pool scent. So this one I put on today because it has SPF in it. I put this on before I got in the pool along with my vacation and my Kayali. So we have that, guys. And then over here is a bunch of my like travel size fragrances that I'm going to be working on this month. I said I wanted to start doing some oil pulling, so I bought that. And also I bought these to start taking these. So yeah, I got that there. But over here are just a few of the fragrances I'm going to be playing with. This has been sitting here for a couple months. This is the Fluff by Heaven scent by Shannon. I love that. I have Sugar Milk Coat Cotton Candy, smells amazing. I have the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. I also have a little of my Nest Strawberry Oil. What is this? This is Ring of Radiance by Juliana's Perfume. Y'all know this is a dupe for Valaya. I had this on the other day. Smells amazing. This is Fiery Goddess from Juliana's Perfume. I still wear my Juliana's perfumes. I have a couple decants I made. This is Kirky, and then a little bit of my Versace. This is Floral Street Wonder Peony. They said this is a dupe for the MAC Candy Yum Yum. I don't really think so, but I pulled that out. Let me see. This is my Ariana Grande. This is Cloud Pink. I was going to pull the full size of this out, but I'm going to wait till next month. This is Ellis Brooklyn Sunfruit, one of my favorites. Obviously, Victoria's Secret Bombshell. I'm leaving in this one in here because I'm obsessed with this scent. This is Clementine Dream by Seven Virtues. I also have my Kayali Yum Pistachio. What else? This Marc Jacobs has been sitting in here literally for months. This is Marc Jacobs Perfect. I keep saying I'm going to wear it and I never do. Let's see. Summer Melody, because obviously I have this on the tray, so I don't know if I'm going to use this month or wait until next month, but I love that. I also have Gingham Glow in here. I'm probably going to pull this one out next month, like the body care. And then I have a little bit left of my Dolce & Gabbana Shine. So like, look at that. This is one more use, but I want to start working on going through my travel sizes. That is it, you guys. Those are all my fragrances that I'm going to be playing with for the month of June. You guys, I cannot wait. Summer is here. The kids are on break. It's time to go to the pool every week. It's also time to get that summer body together. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tray. I had so much fun curating it with just travel size and just the body care. I'm going to be smelling like summer literally every single day, all day. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.